got us a nice little 2-bedroom suite. Some BFE, West Texas.
You ever notice that he's got that slow-mo when he does his hair?
Yeah. I don't know how anybody lives in this godforsaken panhandle in the summer. Warren, a little heads up about the plywood in the road would have been nice.
Yeah.
Somebody must have been absent on muffler day. Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey biker. And you know I'm here to stay. All right, good morning, folks. It's already hot. We got a good night's sleep. We're about ready to roll. Warren, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Ready, bud.
All right. We got about 180 miles to Abilene to meet John, and then on to Amarillo by morning. Road to Sturgis, day one, baby. How are you?
I'm good. How are y'all?
Good. We didn't have to stop and pee one time. I can't believe it.
What?
I know.
What? Hey, I like the seat. That's nice.
Yeah.
That's real nice. Much better backrest. I'm good.
We're doing it.
We're doing it. We've been talking about it for years.
Yeah.
Warren?
Yeah. Nice to meet you, sir.
We get the YouTube experience all the way here?
Yeah.
Yes. I've been giving.
You do it too.
Yeah.
I bought a second Camry. So.
Yes, I've been
volunteered or been assigned.
Oh, assigned.
Yes.
Don't mess it up.
Oh, this is Jack's other camera.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, so we're getting both views here.
Yeah. Well, he wanted some video of himself.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah. You ever notice that he's got that slow-mo when he does his hair and everything?
Yeah, yeah, you got it. Warren's hangry, so we're gonna go eat at Chick-fil-A after 3 different tries at other places. How was the ride in? How long did it take you?
Hour and 15 minutes.
Yeah, ain't bad. I guess we're about halfway. Is Abilene about halfway? We're 3 hours in.
I think that's right.
Yeah. All right, we got our bellies full at Chick-fil-A in Abilene, Texas. We're 3 hours into the trip. We got about 4 hours to go to get to Amarillo, the KOA campground, the KOA Journey campground in Amarillo. So far so good. All right, back on the road, 4 hours to go. Warren, a little heads up about the plywood in the road would have been nice.
Yeah. Leaning over, getting a little sip of water. And one piece of plywood and last 500 miles, and there it was.
And I ran over it. What town are we in? Some BFE, West Texas. What is it? What town is it? Do we know? What town are we in, John?
Spearmont.
Spearmont? Or Aspermont?
Aspermont.
Aspermont, Texas. We running fast enough for you? You
Oh, yeah. No, it's funny.
I told the YouTubes that our point man not doing a very good job of watching the road debris.
Yeah, I mean, letting us run over shit.
I know.
Not putting a foot down, not.
So, you know, we call him Mr. Wang, right? Because
Yeah.
of the gold wing. And he said he wants a new nickname since he doesn't have a gold wing anymore. And most of the responses I got was no wang.
No way.
But we did a video last night about getting ready for this. And I revealed to him the winner was boneless wang. he didn't like that too much.
He wasn't appreciative of that.
3 hours to Amarillo. That's where we stopped for the night. $20 more miles to Amarillo. I don't know how anybody lives in this godforsaken panhandle in the summer. When we went through Memphis, I didn't see Elvis's house.
Graceland.
Yeah, Graceland. We're on Memphis. All right, Warren, what if they told you got to move away from Del Boca Vista to Clarendon, Texas?
What if they told me?
This is all.
Or Claude? wherever the hell we are. John, you gonna move to Claude, Texas?
That's big negatory there.
Big time for me to check out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's big fat negative. Hopefully we'll get higher in elevation. It's hot.
Yeah.
It'll probably still be good.
20 miles to Amarillo, and I'm ready. We're all ready. Welcome to our luxury accommodations. We got us a nice little 2-bedroom suite. Oh, let's see. I might could get up there. Not sure I could get down.
You can always just fall.
Yeah. Warren, how was the day?
The day was great. The ride this morning was awesome. We had cloud cover, you know, up through Abilene, and when we crossed over north of Abilene.
Is that when we got on the Cap Rock? Is that when it gets kind of hot? Is that?
Yeah, that's when the oven.
Yeah.
The doors of hell opened up.
Yeah.
And we started cooking our juices.
Yeah, that's where the West Texas meets the Panhandle.
That's what riding in Texas is.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
if you ride in Texas, you can't complain.
Yep.
That's what it is.
We're gonna head up to the Big Texan in Amarillo, Texas, where they have the 72-ounce steak. Warren or John's gonna eat it, and they're listening to me on the Cardo, and they're laughing. Speaking of Big Texans, this is the place in Amarillo.
I got a chicken fried steak sandwich.
No sandwich?
No sandwich.
16-ounce ribeye. Fort Worth cut. You make it?
I don't know, I gotta take a little break. You take a break.
Vegas buffet, like a cattle call. Wasn't bad though.
The front tab doesn't hook all the way on. I'm fixing to tighten the shit out of it.
We lost a 50 cal. You know what Ron White would say, right?
What?
It fell off, it fell off, it fell the off.
Yeah.
Somebody must have been absent on muffler day.
The left rear wheel falls off. It falls off. It falls the off. Well, apparently he was sick on lug nut day.
No shit. No shit.
We got the right guy for the job.
Hey, that's what you make tools for.
You're gonna pick a spot to have a problem and a time of day. You did a pretty good one.
Yeah, no kidding.
Can I do something?
No. I'm just gonna loosen it up and slide it back on there.
So that the back nut doesn't hold it on? Isn't there like a little sliding?
Yeah,
nut or
there
something?
is, but mine, because when I put these tab performance, this D&D setup is too long for the tabs.
Oh. What do they say? The plumber's pipes leak and the mechanic's pipe breaks? Slip on fell off. Quick fix, back on the road. We'll head back to the cabin and make it an early night. Head to Colorado mañana. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you next time.